Tecno always packs a good unboxing experience with their phones, so here's what their latest Phantom 8 flagship brings. The box is quite a big one, and with the raise of a magnetic flap, it opens up very uniquely. You'll find the phone resting in the middle, and it has a very standard form factor and design. Up next are some leaflets and the SIM removal tool alongside a silicone case and a screen guard for added protection. You'll of course need the silicone case because the phone has a glossy back, and in this compartment you'll also find extra information about the warranty of the phone. On the right hand side you'll find another compartment with the charging brick, a flattened USB-A to USB-C charging cable to prevent tangling, and of course a pair of 3.5mm jack headphones. And here's everything you find in the box in one shot. Now onto the phone. The first thing I noticed is that display. It's not the sharpest Full HD panel out there, and the bezels are quite big, but I like what Tecno has done with the lock screen changing wallpapers every time, as well as those inspirational quotes. The back is glossy as I've mentioned and is reminiscent of many 2017 phones, and here's where you also find the fingerprint scanner, which is slightly on the slower side, and of course those cameras. It's got a dual 12 and 13 megapixel sensor unit, but I haven't had really much time to check them out. As far as the front camera goes, it's a 20 megapixel sensor and comes with a bonus hardware flash, which is a nice touch. The overall profile of the phone is slightly on the thicker side if you ask me, but comes with a headphone jack, bottom firing speakers, and a surprise USB-C port which supports an unspecified version of fast charging to recharge the 3500 mAh cell. Now, other internals of the phone seem very promising on paper, but I'll give you a better judgment once I've used the phone for a bit longer. But from the short time I've had, the UI seems a bit bloated and borrows an assistive touch feature first seen on iPhones. Up front is also where you'll find the navigation buttons, and so far the phone has stayed very responsive. I think the phone's package is appealing, but whether it provides enough value for 1,400 dirhams, I'm not quite sure. For now, I think I'll slap on that provided silicone case and use it more and see how it fares. As always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Check out our other videos if you've missed them previously, and I'll see you in the very next one. Adios.